Welcome to Review Rumble. The best latch hook pillow is probably one of the most satisfying DIY crafts you can pick up, offering a wonderful way to create beautiful, textured home decor pieces with your own hands, and it's a fantastic activity for all ages. Whether you're looking for a relaxing hobby or a fun project to complete with family and friends, transforming simple yarn into stunning, personalized cushions that add a unique touch to any living space. Number 5. CRAFTILOO Latch Hook Kit for Kids. Introducing the CRAFTILOO Latch Hook Kit, a fun and engaging craft project designed for kids. It's everything they need to get started on their creative journey. This complete beginner kit allows your child to craft 2 beautiful pencil cases from scratch. They can make something they will actually use every day at school. Designed specifically for children aged 8 to 12, this kit is perfect for beginners. The simple loop, hook, and pull technique helps develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Looking for a unique gift? This latch hook craft kit comes in a beautiful box, making it an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or as a fun back-to-school activity. Crafted with safe, kid-friendly materials, this kit ensures a positive crafting experience. It's a trusted choice for hours of screen-free creative fun and learning. What we like? This kit is perfect for creating 2 functional pencil cases that kids will actually use at school. If you are looking for a craft project that results in something practical and engaging for children aged 8 to 12, this is an excellent choice. It helps develop fine motor skills while producing a useful item for their school supplies. What people say? The yarn is soft and the colors are vibrant, making the finished pillow look beautiful. The kit includes everything you need to get started, including a clear instruction booklet and a pre-printed canvas. It's a fun and relaxing craft project that's suitable for beginners. Number 4. LAPATAIN Latch Hook Kits for DIY Throw Pillow Cover. This kit has everything you need to get started. You'll receive a color instruction manual, a pattern canvas, a crochet hook, and plenty of yarn. Our kit is designed for ease of use. With simple illustrated instructions and a color-coded canvas, your DIY project will be convenient and straightforward, even for beginners. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This is a great choice for family and friends. It makes a wonderful present for holidays, festivals, or just because. Transform your living space with this versatile craft. You can create stunning pillows, doormats, rugs, tapestries, and more to enhance your home decor. Remember, this is an unfinished embroidery set that you get to complete yourself. Embrace the joy of creating something unique with your own hands. If you have any questions during your crafting journey, don't hesitate to reach out. We're always here to assist you. What we like? This option is ideal for creating a decorative pillow cover with a carpet-like pattern. If you enjoy home decor projects and want to create a unique cushion for your sofa or floor, this kit is a great fit. It's also perfect for family crafting sessions, bringing everyone together for a rewarding activity. What people say? The yarn is soft and the colors are vibrant. The finished pillow is beautiful and looks like a professional piece of art. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, even for a beginner. Number 3. LAPATAIN Latch Hook Kits for DIY Throw Pillow Cover. This kit provides everything you need to get started. You'll receive a color instruction manual, a printed pattern canvas, a crochet hook, and multiple bundles of yarn. Our kit is designed for ease of use, even for beginners. It includes simple, illustrated instructions and a color-coded canvas to make your DIY project straightforward and enjoyable. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This is a wonderful choice for family and friends. It's suitable for various holidays and festivals, making it a versatile present for loved ones. Transform your living space with this versatile craft. You can create stunning pieces like pillows, doormats, sofa cushions, rugs, tapestries, and more to enhance your home decor. Please note that this is an unfinished embroidery set that you will complete yourself. If you have any questions during your crafting journey, don't hesitate to reach out to us. What we like? If you love floral designs and want to add a touch of charm to your home, this daisy pattern pillow cover kit is for you. It's designed for easy use, making it suitable for beginners and families looking for a relaxing craft. Choose this if you're aiming for a beautiful, handmade decorative piece for your living space. What people say? The colors are vibrant and the finished product looks great. It's a fun and relaxing craft project, perfect for beginners. The kit includes all the necessary materials, making it easy to get started. Number 2. LAPATAIN Latch Hook Kits for DIY Throw Pillow Cover. This kit provides everything you need to get started. You'll receive a color instruction manual, a pre-printed canvas, a crochet hook, and plenty of yarn. Our kit is designed for ease of use, even for beginners. It includes simple, illustrated instructions and a color-coded canvas to make your DIY project straightforward and enjoyable. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This is a wonderful choice for family and friends. It's suitable for various holidays and festivals, making it a versatile present. Create beautiful home decor items with this versatile kit. You can make pillows, rugs, cushion covers, and more to enhance any room in your house. Remember, this is an unfinished embroidery set that you complete yourself. We're here to help if you have any questions along the way. What we like? This kit offers a lovely flower pattern, perfect for creating a decorative cushion cover that will brighten up any room. It's a wonderful choice if you're looking for a relaxing DIY project that results in a beautiful home accessory. Consider this if you appreciate floral aesthetics and want a satisfying crafting experience for yourself or with family. What people say. The yarn is soft and the colors are vibrant, making the finished pillow look beautiful. The kit includes everything you need to get started, with clear instructions and all the necessary tools. The finished pillow is surprisingly sturdy and holds its shape well, even after a lot of use. Number 1. CLUBEVY Alpaca Latch Hook Kits. Discover the joy of crafting with our Alpaca Latch Hook Kits. Perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike, these kits offer a fun and engaging way to create beautiful handmade items. Craft with confidence using our natural and environmentally friendly materials. You'll love the soft, comfortable, and beautiful results of your finished creations. Our kits are designed for ease of use, even for absolute beginners. With clear instructions and all the necessary tools included, you can start creating right away. Transform your living space with these versatile DIY kits. Create stunning pillow covers, cushions, mats, or wall hangings to add a personal touch to any room. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This craft kit is ideal for birthdays and holidays, offering a screen-free way to relax, de-stress, and create something special. Experience the satisfaction of creating something with your own hands. It's a wonderful activity to enjoy alone or share with friends and family, bringing happiness and a sense of accomplishment. What we like? This kit features a charming alpaca design and uses premium soft yarn for a luxurious feel. If you're looking for a craft that is not only decorative but also helps relieve stress and anxiety, this is an excellent option. It's suitable for both beginners and adults seeking a focused, calming activity that results in a beautiful home decoration. What people say. The yarn is soft and the colors are vibrant. The kit includes everything you need to get started, including a hook and instructions. The finished pillow is beautiful and looks great on my couch. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.